If your laser engraver just stops engraving midway through, it's more than likely that your USB ports have their enable power saving mode turned on, and there's an easy way to switch them off, so you get continuous power going to the USB ports. I'll show you how to do that. It's very easy to switch them off. Right, so if you want to disable your continuous power on your USBs, right click on the start, so you get this menu come up. Click on device manager, and all your device managers will come up. If you click on universal serial bus, and then you will get all these come up. If you double click on your USB root hub and then go to the top and push power management, you can disable it here. So if it's ticked, it means it's switched off. If you untick it, it'll continuously have power going to it. And do it on all your USB ports that you're using, so that it doesn't stop the engraver midway through. So it's just a very easy fix to stop your engraver from just stopping while it's engraving.